New Google anti-gravity update changes everything. Nobody is talking about what Google just quietly released, and it is going to hit different for anyone building an AI business right now. There is a new tool live right now that can run your content, build your pages, fix your systems, and generate leads while you sleep. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Do not skip anything because the best part is not where you think it is. Here is the problem. Most AI business owners are sitting with right now. You have more tools than ever. You have more content ideas than ever, but you are still the bottleneck. You are still the one who has to brief the team, check the output, fix the errors, and push everything live. The tools have gotten smarter, but the workflow has not changed. You are still doing way too much manually. And that gap between what AI can do and what you are actually getting it to do, that gap is costing you growth every single week. What if you could hand a task to an AI agent, walk away, and come back to a finished result that is tested, checked, and ready to go live? Not a draft, not a starting point, a finished result. That is what Google just made possible, and I am going to break it down for you right now. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. And Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So what exactly did Google release? On August 13th, 2026, Google dropped Gemini 3.7 Flash. This is their newest AI model, and they describe it as their most capable workhorse model for coding and agent tasks. But here is the part that actually matters. They did not just release the model on its own, they built it directly into a platform called Google Antigravity. Antigravity is an agentic development environment. That means it is not a chatbot. It is a system where AI agents can plan tasks, execute them, write and run code, test results inside a browser, catch their own errors, and keep going until the job is done. That is a fundamentally different category of tool. Let me put real numbers on this, because the improvement is not small. On Frontier Code, the previous model hit 34.4%. Gemini 3.7, Flash hits 43.6%. On DeepSuite, the jump is even bigger, 49% up to 65.3% in 3 weeks. But the number that should really get your attention if you are running an AI content business is this one. On Automation Bench, which measures how well a model handles real multi-step business workflows, the old model scored 17%. The new one scored 30.4%. That is not an incremental improvement. That is a different class of capability entirely. And I am going to show you exactly what that means for your business in just a moment. Stay with me. Now, let me walk you through what anti-gravity actually is, because most people are going to hear this name and treat it like another chatbot wrapper. It is not. Anti-gravity has 4 distinct components. Anti-gravity 2.0 is the main interface, a command center where you oversee and manage multiple agents running at the same time. The anti-gravity CLI lets you fire off agent tasks directly from your terminal, which is powerful for anyone building automated backend systems. The anti-gravity SDK is for developers who want to build their own custom agent pipelines on top of the platform. And the Antigravity IDE is a full coding environment with agent management baked right in, so the AI can write, run, and test code without switching tools. At Google I/O 2026, Google also introduced sub-agents, which are specialist agents that support the main agent on complex tasks, plus scheduled automation, so your agents can run on a set timetable without any manual trigger. Voice transcription also got added to the stack. And speaking of growing faster, if you want to be inside a community where people are actually implementing these systems and sharing what is working right now, the AI Profit Boardroom is exactly where you need to be. This is not a passive learning environment where you watch videos and hope something sticks. This is an active room full of people who are building real workflows with tools like anti-gravity, testing what works, and sharing the results with each other in real time. You get access to proven automation playbooks that you can plug straight into your business, content systems that are generating real growth right now, and a group of switched on people who are ahead of the curve and holding nothing back. Every week there is new material, new strategies, and new people sharing wins that you can model in your own business. If you are watching this and thinking, I want to actually be in that room and not just watch from the outside, the link is in the comments and the description below. Come join us and let us build something real together. Here is why all of that matters for your AI business specifically. Right now, think about the content operation behind something like the AI Profit Boardroom. Every week there is a YouTube video, a newsletter, community posts, social content, and lead generation assets all happening at once. Each piece needs to be researched, written, structured, and published. That is a significant operational load. With Antigravity running Gemini 3.7 Flash, you can build an agent workflow that ingests a single content brief and produces the YouTube script outline, the newsletter angle, the social hook, and the lead magnet structure, all from that one input. The agent plans the task, executes each step, checks the output, and flags anything that needs a human decision. Before this existed, that process involved multiple people across multiple days. After this, it is one agent, one run, one review. Your team stops being a production line and starts being a strategy layer. That is the shift. And because the model now scores nearly double on real business workflow tasks, it handles the complex multi-step jobs without losing the thread halfway through. It does not forget what it is doing between steps. It does not need you to re-prompt it every time it hits a new stage. It plans ahead, works through the sequence, and adapts when something does not go right. For a content and community business running at scale, that reliability is everything. Now, let me show you how this connects to lead generation, because this is where the growth impact really shows up. On Web Dev Arena, which tests how well the model builds real websites, the previous model scored 1538, Gemini 3.7 Flash scores 1588, and Google specifically highlights that the model is now much better at taking a visual design, a screenshot, or an image and accurately building it into a working page. Now, I want to give you the honest version of this because I think you deserve it. These agents are powerful, but they are not autonomous business operators yet. You still need to review the work. You still need to set the strategy. You still need to understand your audience well enough to know when the output is right and when it needs adjusting. The edge does not come from handing everything to the AI. The edge comes from combining your strategic thinking with the AI's execution speed. The people who get that balance right are the ones who are going to pull ahead the fastest. If you are serious about getting that balance right and using tools like Google Antigravity to grow your business and serve more people, then the AI Profit Boardroom is the environment where that happens, and it is the most valuable room you can be in right now. Inside the boardroom, you're not sitting in a library reading about what AI can do. You are in an active building environment where people are deploying these workflows, testing them against real audiences, and sharing the results every single week. You get live breakdowns of the tools that matter, automation systems you can implement the same day you learn them, and a community of sharp, focused people who are genuinely committed to using AI to grow something real. The level of conversation inside is different to anything else out there because everyone in the room is actually doing the work. If you want to go from knowing about these tools to building with them in a way that actually moves your business forward, this is where that shift happens. The link is in the comments and description below. Come join us inside. And if you want every workflow, SOP, and AI use case from videos like this one, all organized and ready to use the moment you need them, come join the AI Success Lab, and it will not cost you a thing to get started. It is completely free, and the link is right below this video in both the comments and the description. The moment you get inside, you will find the full notes from this video, every prompt we covered today, formatted and ready to copy straight into Antigravity, and immediate access to a community of 38,000 people who are actively building with AI every single day and sharing what is working. You do not have to piece this together alone from scattered videos and random threads. Everything is organized, searchable, and surrounded by people who are genuinely happy to help you move faster. Click the link, step inside, and let us keep building together. See you in the next one.